Looking back over the last 80 years, how have you seen Yiddish change?
Well, it's interesting that they teach it in universities. That's a total amazement to me. I was raised with this understanding of this high Yiddish culture, so that's not a surprise to me. I mean, that there was wonderful literature and poetry and music and all that. And it's nice to see that there are people that really appreciate it and they're making it grow.
What do you see as the future for Yiddish?
This week, I'm very happy to see that I think that there's a wonderful future for it. At one time, it seemed like it was a dying language, and it was very sad because I don't know how many of the 6 million were Yiddish speakers. We were trying to figure that out today. And for every person that learns it and helps it to grow, it balances out that horrendous loss. I think that on some level, even if it's not overt, that the Yiddish culture and the values that are they're kind of transported through the Yiddish culture and the Yiddish language are what's it made me who I am and have sustained me and supported me in good times, bad times, whatever. So I mean, there's a soul to it, and it's nourishing.